Hello everyone, welcome to Law Troop. In today's video, we will talk about the Know Your Constitution speech by our Prime Minister on the 26th of November, along the same lines as Know Your Customer. But is it that easy for people to know their constitution? We celebrate 26th November as our Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas in Hindi or National Law Day. However, a lot of us are unaware of the contents of the Constitution. Of course, we need not know the whole of it, but the overall understanding of the Constitution becomes a lot grimmer after the first few chapters. Firstly, why 26th of November? Because in 1949, 2 years after our independence, we adopted our constitution on 26th of November, which then came into force on 26th of January, which is why we celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. Now, why is the constitution so important for any country? Because a written constitution confers well documented powers on the government while also ensuring citizens' liberty. Specified set of rules keep a check on government's arbitrary actions and unauthorized use of power. Other than that, it marks the roles of different bodies and thus help maintain a harmonious relationship between the three wings, those are legislature, executive and judiciary. Our constitution provides a good balance between fundamental rights and fundamental duties, thereby reminding people that while enjoying their fundamental rights, they must also keep their fundamental duties towards others and the country in sight. Now, the Indian constitution is the lengthiest, and therefore, no wonder it is no less than an ordeal for everyone to find time to read it. Many people, because of the language and the legal jargons used in it, feel it is difficult to understand and thus do not find it interesting. And they are not totally wrong. However, we should still keep trying to understand the contents of our constitution. Say for students, they can learn different parts of the constitution in the form of stories or skits, thereby making it interesting for them. If more recent TV shows or documentaries can be created on the making of the Constitution and the various debates which took place, then maybe the younger generation would want to know more about it. The Constitution needs to be more accessible and more creative in terms of its printing and presentation. Another deterrent which keeps people away from learning about our constitution is the mindset that law is not on their side, or as I heard in one of the discussions, that law is not seen as empowering local people, rather, law is seen as blocking and restraining their growth. Also, we have multiple laws in our country. The number of laws, including local laws, are so overwhelming that constitution is viewed as another piece of legislation. So the speech by our Prime Minister on Constitution Day might incite some interest and curiosity amongst people for a while, but in order for people to really understand what our great Constitution stands for, some practical efforts are also required. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to Law Troop.